Nobody like me.
What's up, Ray Mob? It's your boy Candy. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. And today, as you can tell by the title, it's time to get my little sister with a prank. I think she coming. But yeah, I'm going to be doing the purge prank on her. But the plot twist to the prank is I'm going to be dressed up as if I'm going to be killing her. So I have this big speaker right here. I have this big speaker. Then we have the mask and it lights up. So you know, put this camera up, I'm gonna change it to an all black outfit. And we gonna get her. So this is what the outfit is giving us. The all black and red outfit. And the mask lights up. So we just gotta get her to, I just gotta get her out the room to sit up there. So I'll be back once I set the camera.
Bands.
They watching you cry. Stop crying. You gonna stop being mean to me? Hello? What?
I said, what are you doing, bro?
I'm not doing nothing.
So why is Morgan crying then, fool?
Because I'm in my room playing the Purge music.
Playing what?
I'm playing the Purge intro song.
Bro, and you know what's scared me, so why you playing that, bro?
I don't know. I told you guys. The prank was going to work. I told you this. I told you this. Oh, you guys. Okay, stop laughing. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe on the road to 2K. I will see you guys for the next prank video.